Hello everyone, today we're going to master network troubleshooting with the top 5 CMD commands. Let's dive in. First, let's ensure our connectivity with the internet by typing ping, followed by our loopback address. Next, let's check our IP address using the ipconfig command. To know our MAC address, we'll use the getMAC command. Now let's trace our network packet route by typing tracert. Lastly, let's access our network settings by running the ncpia.cpl command. And there you have it. With these top 5 CMD commands, you can efficiently troubleshoot network issues and ensure smooth connectivity. Remember, understanding these commands is essential for every network administrator or enthusiast. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.